Helazon River Nature Reserve, south of Carmiel in Israel, is a steep gorge boasting high cliffs and rocky ground. This reserve was the site of an extraordinary first-of-its-kind engineering undertaking. A large construction project in the city of Carmiel is underway on a hilltop overlooking the reserve. The problem was that a sewer line had to cross the reserve. Other routes were much longer and economically unacceptable. Green groups objected to a service road or trench that could harm the landscape. Therefore, exposed pipeline had to be laid directly on the ground. Steel pipes were ruled out because of the need for ground preparation and the large number of connections needed. The only practical way was to lay the pipe in long and flexible sections by helicopter. Of the plastic pipes alternatives studied, the only solution meeting all the requirements was the use of cross-linked polyethylene Pexgol pipes. It is the only pipe that can be transported in long lengths, fully maintaining a round cross-section. Furthermore, laying pipe in the harsh terrain demanded outstanding resistance to scratches and environmental conditions, pointing at Pexgol as the obvious choice. The sewer line consisted of 450 meters of 280 millimeter Pexgol pipe. On D-Day, the helicopter carefully lifted the first 55-meter pipe section.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, fill my heart and make me happy. Here we go, let's move to the groove. Watch your lovely baby as I smooth as I move. Cause that's what they say, but I can't prove. I tell them up again and want to move to the
The ground crew of 4 men was ready at the site. Their task was to direct the helicopter pilot in placing each lower pipe end at the right spot, as well as performing the flange connection. Laying the whole pipe length on the ground was relatively easy and was done by the pilot himself along the predetermined path. Pipe strength and flexibility allowed the pilot to fully ignore rocks and cliffs. Within less than 10 minutes, the first section was fully connected, and the helicopter was off to bring the next section. 4 hours later, all 8 sections, totaling nearly half a kilometer, were in place and fully connected. In summary, a major project was completed without harming the landscape. A project typically requiring weeks was completed within hours, using very limited manpower. An overall cost comparison revealed 30% savings compared to steel pipes,